Hello, Rockets!
And welcome to this episode of the Rocket Report.
We're your co-hosts, Kaleigh, Lilly,
and Matthew Knuth. In this episode, we're going to cover all topics known to mankind. Sports, comedy, you want it, we got it.
But to start, we will sit down by the fire with sophomore Dylan Bagford to read the award-winning, spectacular, worldwide, immaculate, magnificent biography about Sam and Guy.
Kaleigh, it's literally just green eggs and ham.
I know.
Let's get into it.
Today, I am reading Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you, on a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car, Sam, let me be. I would not, could not, in a box, I could not, would not, with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse, I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there, I will not eat them anywhere. I do not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. You do not like them, so you say. Try them, and you may. Try them and you may, I say. I'll eat them anywhere. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam I am. And that was Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss.
Wow, that was really good. Great reading, Dylan.
Not as good as this next segment.
Girl, it's literally your segment.
Duh, I know this.
Here is Kaleigh's Powderpuff documentary.
Streetsboro hasn't had a Powderpuff game since 2013-2014. This has all changed this year and is now back better than ever. Powderpuff is girls playing flag football being coached by the varsity football players. The event is open to the community and is a great time to have fun and participate within the school. Me and Melanie Royal sat down with the class of 24 and the class of 25 coaches, and here's what they had to say about how they're predicting the game to go. First up is the class of 25 coaches, and this is what they had to say.
Which girl on your team do you think is going to contribute to you guys' win?
Harmony Brown. I think she's going to play a big role on the defense and offensive end with her strength.
Harmony's really strong and aggressive. Naomi's tall.
Madeline Genevieve's some serious speed and athletic ability. And then Naomi Benson, big target.
Is there a coach on the opposing team that you think you are better than?
I think I'm better than all the other coaches on the opposing team.
Preston Hopperton, although he is a great player on the field, he has a lot of weaknesses. I would put myself over coaching ability, definitely better than all of the other coaches.
Do you think your coaching ability is good enough to help your team pull through with the win? Like maybe a blowout?
Yeah.
I think we'll definitely get the blowout and definitely W.
I think you will see by the outcome of that Powderpuff game how great my coaching ability is.
And now here's the class of 24 and what they had to say.
What coach on the other team do you feel like you're better than?
Alex specifically, because I don't think he'd be a very good coach. He's not very smart.
Alex Light.
All of them.
Are there any girls on the senior team that you think will help contribute to the win?
I think Kaleigh is going to come out and have a 300-yard rushing day, 2 touchdowns on the night.
Probably Danielle. She has an arm, nice throwers, QB1, you know.
Specifically probably Ella. She's tall, athletic.
And then do you think you have what it takes to help get us the win?
Of course. I am him.
Yes. I feel like I'm a great coach and I can do anything.
Yeah.
With that being said, the girls put on a very entertaining and close game. The seniors winning in the end, 14-12. Touchdowns were scored by seniors Liv Hall and Danielle LaFlame, with junior Naomi Benson. Having such a good game, Streetsboro is looking forward to hosting the next game with the class of 2025 versus the class of 2026 next year. Congratulations, seniors, and keep an eye out for the spring when we plan to have yet another game. Will the juniors lose again, or will the seniors wreak defeat? We shall see.
Wow, I'm in the mood for some more sports.
Good thing the next segment is about soccer.
Go ahead and take over, Melody.
Last year, some alumni and current members of the Streetsboro boys varsity soccer team got a team together named Dawgs Out and played during the off-season at NC and Hudson. And this year's season is starting up again. They're super excited for another season of Dawgs Out. Lainey Klein, Audriana Wert, and I sat down and talked with players Jack Pinko, Billy Caroli, Vincent Corvetti, and Gage Morris. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Jack Pinko. I'm a senior here at Streetsboro High School, and I play defensive back for the team.
And I'm Vincent Corvetti, and I'm a junior here at Streetsboro High School, and I play center defender for the team.
Hi, my name is Billy Caroli. I'm a senior here at Streetsboro High School, and I'm center mid on the soccer team.
My name is Gage Morris. I am a senior and I play center mid as well.
I'm looking forward to getting dubs and killing people on the field.
I am just looking for a great time with all my friends that I haven't seen in over a year, so it's going to be a good time.
I'm really looking forward to playing soccer.
I'm looking forward to playing against grown men because we have to play against grown men this year.
I'm also looking forward to playing against grown men because we play against grown men this year.
I would say our last game of the season last year when Z hopped in goalie. Just showed he had some great skills. He really showed them off. I'm hoping he'll be able to make it to at least one game this year.
Remember when he sat down, just sitting there with the ball in between his legs and then waiting for somebody to come and take it from him, just yelling.
My favorite moment was when Kevin almost killed the other team's goalkeeper.
Oh, my favorite moment was when Josh Schneider went up for a bicycle kick and he fell on his back and he started coughing really bad.
He's a physical guy. There's nothing much to it.
He's a weird one. It's a little special. Very aggressive guy, if I have to say.
He really gets into it. He loves the game. Let me tell you, he loves this game. He loves Dawgs Out. He loves everything Dawgs Out, and he will put his life on the line for this team. As I'm sure we all would. And he puts his life on for the team, and he puts it all out there. And he's a real physical guy, and he goes for the win.
Very passionate. That's all there is to it.
Go Dawgs Out!
Hi, my name is Vincent Corvetti, and I'm a junior here at Streetsboro Middle School, and Vincent Corvetti, and I'm a junior at Streetsboro High School. We're getting serious now. All right.
Yeah, I can't do my right one. Oh, why not? Doesn't really go down. I'm very Jackie, freaking serious.
Actually, we're looking out to be a very bad season this year. They're very good at their ball.
They are good at balls. My favorite moment was when Taven almost killed the other team's goalkeeper. Yeah.
Taven almost did that?
Not Taven. Kevin. I should probably redo that.
I would. Ready for a great season? Go Dawgs Out.
Show up. Go Dawgs Out. Oh, we got an apple? Oh, we're actually doing this. Sure, we're back more.
No, you gotta
Wait, should we do my thing too?
Kevin?
Are you okay?
Other name chat.
Alright, so what were we saying?
High school rockets have been chattering a lot.
One would say bantering.
I don't get it.
My God, Kaleigh.
Oh, it was a joke about this segment?
Yes.
Okay.
With Community Christmas in action, me and Kaleigh stopped around the school to ask a few questions.
We got some informative answers as well as some funny answers. Matt, what's your favorite Christmas song?
Gotta go with Dominic the Donkey. How about you?
Definitely I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus.
You wanna sing it?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Chickity chick, it's Dominic the Donkey.
Santa Claus.
Okay, let's get to the Boro banter.
So Community Christmas is an annual event that takes place at St. Joan of Arc Church here in Streetsboro. It's an opportunity for families to get extra support during the holiday season. Families get to shop free of charge for new gifts and toys for the entire family. This year it's happening on Thursday, December 14th. Families are welcome to register by calling 211 and they'll walk them through the registration process. That registration window does open after Thanksgiving.
Community Christmas is a program that was started in 2004 with the mission of serving Streetsboro families who are economically challenged, meaning They pay their bills, but they're not able to provide the extras, which means they're not able to provide Christmas for their families. So with that in mind, we established Community Christmas, engaging organizations, churches, the school, the police, businesses to come together to take care of our own citizens, our own families within our community that needed that support.
Riley, what's your favorite thing about Community Christmas?
Giving back to the community. I love seeing people be really happy when they shop and get gifts for their family, and I love just seeing other people happy. That makes me happy.
Helping out the community and just helping everyone in need.
I'm really excited to decorate the trees around the school because I think that'll be fun, and it's a good way to spread Christmas cheer.
Community Christmas is about giving, and I think that's the best part of Christmas is the opportunity for us to give back to our community, and seeing the faces of all the kids and the surprise and bringing a smile to everybody's face.
I did Community Christmas last year and I loved it. I love going around shopping with people and talking to people and learning about like their backstories, because they always talk about like their lives and their family lives, and just seeing life from a new perspective just for a few hours is so fun.
I don't know. It'll be a cool new opportunity because I didn't do it last year, so just to see the families and their kids.
I'm really thankful for my family, and I'm thankful that I have a job, and the weather's been nice, so I've been playing pickleball outside.
I'm getting for Christmas the BBL Lululemon jacket.
No school. Yeah.
No school.
Yeah. Making money.
Okay, period.
I'm pretty thankful for my family and getting to spend time with my friends, and the financial stability of my household.
My friends and family.
My family and the fact that I got a car.
You got a car? What model?
A 2014 Subaru Legacy.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Of course, my students, my husband, my family, everyone out there, you know.
How about the creator of this wonderful shirt here? Go ahead and show it off.
My turkey shirt, I actually don't know the creator, but it is off Etsy if anybody's interested. And they had a whole slew of colors.
Definitely my family and friends. If you guys didn't know, I was in a car crash just a few days ago. And I'm truly thankful for all my family and friends that have been there with me throughout that entire time, because that was the most scariest thing in my life.
Okay, a little oversharing.
I'm thankful Harmony Brown survived her car crash.
But I'm big donator.
To what charities? Go ahead, list them.
Well, I've been bringing food every day.
To what charities?
Well, the APL. I really like animals.
Oh, that's wonderful. What else?
Donate and rescue dogs.
I'm working on it.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Definitely not Mariah Carey. I understand that song. Okay. Hot take, but favorite Christmas song? Probably Santa Baby.
Well, what's your favorite Christmas song?
That's gotta be Last Christmas.
And what is your favorite Christmas song?
Last Christmas by Mariah Carey.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Do They Know It's Christmas by Band-Aid.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
The one by Sexy Red.
What?
Tickle My Nickel.
Okay.
It'd be like, hang on the mistletoe.
That one song by Mariah Carey. One Christmas song. Ba la 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 la.
I'd probably have to go with Jingle Bell Rock. That's a classic. That's like number one for me.
Do you guys have a favorite Christmas song?
Yes, I do. It is Feliz Navidad.
Mine's Mistletoe by Justin Bieber.
And what are your guys' favorite Christmas songs?
Maliki Maka.
Go ahead and say that again.
Yeah, Maliki Maka.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
I think it's called Last Christmas by Wham.
It's time. Maliki Maka is the thing to say on a bright
Day, Hawaiian Christmas Day. That's the island greeting that we send to you.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Do they know it's Christmas at all?
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the one we used to know.
Santa baby.
I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? But the very next day, you gave it away.
Oh, Christmas tree, your branch is green, delight us. That's all I got.
Flashing and dancing and that's the jingle bell.
This year, to save me from tears, 'tis the season to get my la 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 la. 'Tis the season to make some cookies. La 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 la.
'Tis the season to wear pajamas.
La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be outside. La 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 la.
'Tis the season to have fun. Fa la 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 la.
'Tis the season to get buckets.
La 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 la.
'Tis the season to get good grades.
Fa la 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 la.
I'll give it to someone special.
Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Gosh, Kaleigh, it's already over.
Boy, it's been one episode.
Oh, yeah.
Well, our time is unfortunately over. Thanks for tuning in.
See you next time.